Hey everybody, welcome back to emgotv1. This week we're diving into the action movies of the 1950s. Beneath the happy-go-lucky musicals, there was a wave of gritty, realistic action films. These movies showed the dark side of life with flawed heroes and complex villains. They set the stage for the action movies we love today. So sit back, grab a snack and get ready for a wild ride through 1950s action cinema. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the history of film. First up, The Asphalt Jungle. This isn't your typical cops and robbers flick. It dives deep into the underbelly of the city, showing the planning and fallout of a jewel heist gone wrong. Each character has their own motivations and demons, making it a brutal yet heartfelt film. Director John Huston ensures you feel every punch and gunshot. Next, we're headed out west with High Noon. Gary Cooper gives a stellar performance as Will Kane, a marshal facing a gang of outlaws alone. It's a story about duty, courage and doing what's right, with director Fred Zinnemann building incredible suspense. High Noon is more than just a shoot-'em-up, it's a timeless classic. Now, The Big Heat. Glenn Ford stars as Dave Banyan, a cop avenging his wife's murder. He's up against mobsters and corrupt cops, and he's not afraid to get his hands dirty. Director Fritz Lang delivers a dark, brutal noir that doesn't let up for a second. On the waterfront, Marlon Brando gives a lifetime performance as Terry Malloy, a former boxer caught between loyalty and conscience. Director Elia Kazan shows the brutality of the docks and the desperation of the workers. The film's iconic cab scene is pure cinematic gold. Now for something different, let's hop to France for Rififi. This heist film features a 30-minute dialogue-free robbery sequence. It's a gritty portrayal of the criminal underworld with characters you can't help but root for. Director Jules Dassin crafts a suspenseful, stylish thriller. Back to the States for Kiss Me Deadly, a hard-boiled detective story with a sci-fi twist. Ralph Meeker plays Mike Hammer, caught in a conspiracy involving a mysterious box and dangerous gangsters. Director Robert Aldrich injects paranoia and Cold War anxiety, creating a thrilling, thought-provoking film. Cloris Leachman shines as the femme fatale with a secret. The Naked Spur. James Stewart stars as a bounty hunter tracking a dangerous outlaw. As the journey progresses, he questions his motives, blurring the line between good and evil. Director Anthony Mann and cinematographer William C. Mellor use rugged landscapes to create a beautiful, brutal film. Janet Leigh is fantastic as the outlaw's girlfriend, caught in the middle. Next, we got Touch of Evil. Orson Welles directs and stars in this dark, twisted noir about corruption and prejudice. The opening 3-minute tracking shot is legendary. Charlton Heston shines as a Mexican police captain fighting a rigged system. 12 Angry Men might not seem like an action movie, but it's all about the action of the mind. Henry Fonda is amazing as juror number 8, the lone holdout in a murder trial. Director Sidney Lumet traps us in the jury room, creating a film as gripping as any car chase. The tension and debate make it a must-watch. Finally, we're diving deep with Run Silent, Run Deep. This tense submarine warfare film stars Clark Gable and Burt Lancaster. Director Robert Wise keeps the tension high as the submarine faces depth charges and torpedoes. It's a film that shows the true cost of war and the sacrifices made by those who fight in the shadows. So there you have it, 10 films from the 1950s that proved action movies could be more than just shoot-'em-ups. These films had something to say about the world, showing the grit, grime and humanity. They challenged conventions, paving the way for today's raw and realistic action cinema. Which of these classics is your favourite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to emgotv1 for more deep dives into the history of movies and TV. See you next time.